want people that are called to help be world changers and, cultural makers in this day. And so I think for me, have any opportunity to invest in those individuals and share the wisdom God has given me, the experiences God has given me, to be honest, it's a blessing, it's an honor, it's a privilege, because I believe it's what God has called us to do, to be disciple makers. And I believe mentorship is just a vehicle for discipleship.
This school year, our leadership component moved from 2 sessions a month to 1 session a month, strongly pivoting into more hands-on service projects in the community. 3 of our monthly sessions were dedicated to mentoring and coaching of our middle and high school students in areas critical to their transition from adolescence into young adulthood. Some of the key topics we covered included adulting, navigating adolescence with successful transitions into adulthood, relationships, becoming the right person and choosing the right people in relationships, screens, becoming wise in a digital world. JosiahKids was truly blessed to have quality leaders and mentors this school year. We had 7 quality mentors this school year: Officer Kim Barriffe, Ms. Venessa Barnes, Pastor Tucker Brandon, Ms. Kimberly Cullen, Mr. Kerry Jules, Mr. Brandon Love, and Mr. Brandon Wall. Through panel discussions, roundtable conversations, and one-on-one connections, our middle and high school students each had an opportunity to engage with our mentors and coaches. Our mentors shared transparently on their journeys on how they survived middle school, managed finances, developed important life skills, and some of the dangers and pitfalls we need to watch out for, such as bad actors, porn, drugs, alcohol, digital, and real-life predators. As Denzel Washington says, show me a successful individual and I'll show you someone who had a real positive influence in his or her life. I don't care what you do for a living. If you do it well, I'm sure there is someone cheering you on or showing you the way. A mentor.
And growing up, there was a lot of things that were missing in my life. And whenever I gained mentorship, when I gained people that cared enough to speak into my life, and I saw the benefit of that.
It became a no-brainer after talking to Marlene, which is exactly what Kariana told me. The co-instructor I had with the Youth Entrepreneurs Program, she said, as soon as you talk to Marlene, you'll be convinced, you'll be sold.
What encouragement would you give the founders and leaders of JosiahKids?
To continue. Don't stop. This is so needed.